Be romantic. Tell the man, be romantic to the lady. The Prophet ﷺ was romantic. Was he not, Yazunate? He was romantic. In even a rose. Well, you know, on the way home, if you go on the corner of Woodville and Hume Highway, there's always someone there selling roses. When you go in there, make sure you catch the red light. Buy a rose, $2, $1, $15. They're going up today, $20. And take her home to your darling wife. And tell her, this is for you, oh darling. Believe me, wallahi, that would change her whole day. That would change the whole day. And you will have the best meal that night. The best meal. Something you've never tasted. And I'm pretty sure a lot of us romantic men have tried this. If you cannot afford a rose, get a candle. What for? Put it underneath. Switch all the lights off. Switch all the lights off and have dinner together under a candlelight. Or you want to be more romantic, go to the moon. Underneath the light of the moon. This is not a joke, it's serious. The Prophet ﷺ was romantic. He was romantic. I know a little word, wallahi, the least of words will have the biggest effect on her heart. Even the least of words from her will have the biggest effect on your heart. You know, for example, you come home and she makes a meal for you. You might not even like that meal. But say, MashaAllah, how beautiful, how tasty, how scrumptious this meal is. And inside, you don't know how we're going to get rid of it. But, wallahi, it should change your day. But don't buy the same fruit or whatever veggies so she won't make it again. You know, little things play a big role, a big effect in your life. A big effect, wallahi. So make sure you tell them, the bridegroom and the groom, the bride and the bride, that you got to be romantic.